We are absolutely excited to be here fourth year with the Ford GT.
It's manufacturer against manufacturer. It's all factory drivers, factory teams, picking their wits against each other.
It's an endurance 24-hour race, but it's an absolute flat-out sprint race.
We're coming in, you know, ready to win this thing.
We definitely want to be back on the podium, and we definitely want to finishing high.
We're just going to go like hell.
The 87th running of the 24 Hours of Le Mans is underway.
Aric battling away with two Ferraris.
The pack is so tight.
The Ford Porsche battle with a Ferrari behind. That's like 50 years ago in 1969.
Tingnell hooks another gear, and there's inches between them, nose to tail.
It's tight, we're still in it, but we've got some work to do. It's going to be a really tough race.
That 67 Ford has been up and down the order, but it's hanging in the game. Started second, looked like he was going to be leading at the end of the first lap, dropped down to fifth and sixth, back up to second, down to third.
This battle is phenomenal.
It's almost pitch black outside, heading towards 16 hours of the race remaining.
Harry's doing a great job right now. We're running P2. We just need to stay clean and keep doing what we're doing.
As we are now on the onboard with a 67 Ford Chip Ganassi, Harry Tingle running down, chasing down Puer Guidi. That's Puer Guidi up ahead of him, 6/10 up ahead of him, second place.
Henry Tincknell into the pits, and the crew goes to work.
This is the crazy time of the night. Just try and stay out of trouble. Make sure you see the sun come up. That's the first thing.
Westbrook's Ford's catching up.
A minute and 18 seconds behind the leading duo, and that all happened because they got caught behind a different safety car.
Exactly the same thing happened last year.
Fifth place, 67 Ford.
Definite daylight now in the sky.
Now it's happy hour. It's what we call happy hour when the sun's coming up. All the signs come down, run at 2 seconds a lap faster.
Try and overtake is a nightmare. It's like nip and tuck, but we're in the race.
Oh my goodness,
Yeah,
Westbrook's been
just
massively held up. He's lost about 6 or 7 seconds with this traffic.
This is a crazy one. It's already been a crazy one. A lot of things happen, a lot of yellow flags. This is that's what makes it long.
Just over 3 hours to go. Andy Creo in the pits. Now they need the tyres to get in a position to be back into the fight. Magnussen's off entry to Porsche. This is the second place car in GT Pro.
Ford. Dirk Miller in the 68, Andy Prio in the 67, Richard Westbrook in the 69, and Billy Johnson in the 66.
Keeping the pressure up. What do we always know, gentlemen, about the end of any endurance race? There is always drama, always.
The super finale comes to its conclusion.
It's been a great 4 years in the WEC with Ford, and we had our podium in 2017, and unbelievable. The pit stops were mega, brake changes, the strategy, everything was spot on.
You always want to be the best of the bunch, so we tried to move forward, but just caught a safety car wrong, and that was it for us.
I think the team's been amazing, the car is fantastic.
It wasn't our week in the end, but really, really thankful to everyone involved, and to have driven the Ford GT for the last 4 years. It's been an absolute pleasure.